और टेक्निकली मैं 16 महीने के लिए रिटायरमेंट भी लिया था। तो धवल ने सब प्रोजेक्ट ग्रीन लाइट किए ज़्यादा, शिवाय और वो तो ज़्यादा बिजी हो गया तो मैं वापस आ गया। तब तक कुशल और सुजोय एक नतीजे पे आ चुके थे कि यही कहानी बनाएंगे। तो टाइटल के लिए जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि डिसाइड होना था कि इसको कहानी नाम दें या दुर्गा रानी सिंह दें, तो ये सजेशंस मैंने दिया कि इसी फ्रेंचाइजी में आपको कहानी 2 ही देना चाहिए, और भले उसको टैगलाइन रखते हैं हर साल हम बनाएंगे। तो इस बार ही दुर्गा रानी सिंह है, अगले साल और कोई कहानी आएगी।
Hello, hi Vidya, Neeru here. Hi, here, on your right. Hi, how are you?
Right at the back, yeah.
Good. Yeah, before asking the question, I would just like to compliment, whenever we see you on screen with respect to movies or the trailers, we actually forget that we are the part of media fraternity and would just like to, behave like fans and just want to hoot and clap and whistle. So this was one of those trailers we felt like actually clapping and
Thank you so much. That just made my day, really.
Yeah, it actually happened. Joyita and Hina, we all are sitting here in the group, and we all actually felt like we should just go out there and clap. This was really, really heart-wrenching, emotional, and at the same time that you just want to kind of clap and whistle. That kind of.
Wow, thank you.
So the question is, actually Sujoy can share this compliment along because he's written the film. Yeah. So the question is to again both of you, is this again going to be obviously it's looking like a suspense thriller. This is also somewhere that Durga Rani Singh turns out to be a raw agent at the end, and initially she's been projected as a victim and later on she turns out to be a spy, something like that, which happens with Kahani initially.
मुझे ना कुछ सुनाई दे रहा ना कुछ दिखाई दे रहा अचानक। ये क्या हो रहा है?
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया यार।
So I would take that as a true.
अचानक एक साइलेंस आ गया। क्या हुआ? What happened?
I like to believe itne fangirl karne ke baad you still want to watch the film.
No, that's
so we shouldn't know that right
saying.
now. But yeah, I'm telling you, that's the response. Everyone's going to try and play this guessing game, so let's get ready for that. Any other questions?
Yeah, hi.
We'll leave you with that answer, Neeru. Keep guessing.
Sujoy, on your right. Hi, Sujoy.
Mr. Sharia.
Faridun from Bolangama. Brilliant stuff, Vidya, as always. Hugely respectable, actually. Sujoy, my question to you was, in fact, what I think Vidya was saying a short while back, that comparisons with Kahani 1 will obviously happen. One thing that immediately comes to mind, and I think that's a baggage that you'll have to carry, is the Bob Biswas factor. That character became like hugely popular. In fact, Vidya was outstanding. The music was outstanding. People will search for something like that because that's an iconic character that you created in part 1. Do we have something like that maybe in Kahani 2 as well?
Yeah, Durga Rani Singh.
No, obviously it is there, but I'm just saying in terms of comparison because that was a brilliant character. Shashwata Chatterjee was outstanding.
No, when we set out to make this film, it was a very conscious decision to not have anything attached to the other Kahani. Right. If you're going to make a separate story, it has to be completely independent because, as it is, we are going to get compared, right? So I'd rather not have any spillovers from Kahani to Kahani 2. So inshallah, you'll find some newer characters in this one who will be more exciting than Bob Biswas, if not equally. So.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
सुजॉय
कौन?
मैं आशी म्यूजिक इंडिया से बोल रहा हूँ। सुजॉय, ये जो वांटेड का जो आइडिया था, आई थिंक पहली बार बॉलीवुड में यूज हुआ है, किसका था? और विद्या मैम आपसे भी है इसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन, आपको किसी ने फोन किया कि आपका फोटो हर जगह चिपका हुआ है वांटेड में?
हाँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छे रिएक्शंस मिल रहे हैं। पहले तो वो आई थिंक पेपर में भी निकला, वो जो मेरे घर में जो लड़की काम करती है, बहुत साल से काम करती है, वो मुझे जानती है और फिर भी उसको थोड़ा डाउट हुआ कि एटलीस्ट मुझ पे कुछ आरोप लगा है इस तरह का। और वो खाना परोसते वक्त वो मुझसे पूछ रही थी कि क्या आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे पता है कोई प्रॉब्लम है वगैरह वगैरह। जब मुझे समझ आई कि वो ये सवाल करने की कोशिश कर रही है, मैं तो हंस के पागल हो गई। मैंने सारे टीम मेंबर्स को फ़ोन किया और कहा कि बहुत सक्सेसफुल कैंपेन है हमारा, अगर इस तरह के रिएक्शंस मिलने शुरू हुए तो। और भी किसी ने मैसेज भेजा कि उनकी बेटी जो है समझती है कि दुर्गा रानी सिंह सचमुच में बहुत खतरनाक क्रिमिनल है और शी वाज स्कैर्ड टू गो आउट फॉर हर क्लास ऑन हर ओन, शायद वो क्लास नहीं जाना चाहती थी